Oh, the iconic Bellagio. With its spectacular fountain shows, fine dining, luxurious rooms, and relaxed pool area, it's like a paradise to me. Because I'm old. Hey you, thanks for clicking and dropping in. I'm so glad you decided to join me for this video. My check-in experience at Bellagio, as you might expect, was fabulous. I received a 4-hour complimentary early check-in. I booked a one-night comped room through My Vegas Slots and ended up with a Premier King room on the 4th floor. So I only paid the resort fees for this room, plus the gratuity that I left for the helpful desk clerk. The Premier King measures up at 510 square feet. With a 55-inch mounted flat-screen TV and a king-size Stearns & Foster mattress, surrounded by soft and reflective tones reminiscent of the sun rising over Lake Como, Italy. The room was very clean and the bed was extremely comfortable. At the bed there was a bed bench and lots of big fluffy Bellagio pillows. At the bedside there was a clock radio with wired and wireless charging ports, and automatic drapery and shear controls. Watch this. The top drawer is where you'll find your safe. The room comes stocked with snacks and a fully stocked minibar. If you're wondering what the price is for these items, you probably can't afford them. However, inside the minibar there is a personal shelf that you can use to store your own personal items. Inside the closet there is an ironing board, an iron, and your Bellagio bathrobes. Yes, tonight I will be Bellagio man. There is a small but elegant dining area near the window. And most of all, I was extremely pleased that this room on the 4th floor had a view overlooking the fabulous Bellagio pool area. And I found the nighttime view to be equally fabulous. The bathroom comes with a shower, a soaking tub, and twin vanities. Outfitted in a stunning array of natural stone, including marble, granite, and mother of pearl. At the tub, there was body wash, bath salts, and a loofah. The tub was very deep and was perfect for relaxing and unwinding. The vanity came with 2 sinks and energizing lighting. The shower was clean and modern and had plenty of water pressure. You're not going to find any cheap eats at Bellagio. Most of the dining options are of the upscale variety. Restaurants like Yellowtail, Lago, and Mayfair Supper Club all offer fountain views. There are some casual daytime options, including the Paleo Cafe, and Cafe Gelato. In addition to delicious, authentic Italian gelato, Cafe Gelato also offers soups, salads, sandwiches, and pastries. For my stay at Bellagio, I dined at the Bellagio Brunch Buffet. The brunch buffet is open from 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. on the weekdays and is $55 per person plus tax and gratuity. The dining area is spacious and elegant. There was a large selection of items to feast on, most of which were very tasty. For a complete tour of the buffet and a review of all the items I selected, check out the video I made. I put a link in the description box below. There's plenty to see and do at Bellagio, including the Gallery of Fine Art, by Cirque du Soleil, the fine art of Richard MacDonald, and the iconic Bellagio Musical Fountain Show. The musical fountain shows run every 30 minutes during the daytime and every 15 minutes from 8 p.m. until midnight. And the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Each season, the enormously talented horticultural and engineering teams transfer the 14,000 square foot botanical gardens into a showcase of inspiring sights, sounds, scents, and colors. botanical gardens are open 24 hours and the admission is free for everyone. The Bellagio pool area has 5 pools in a distinctive Mediterranean-infused alfresco courtyard. Located under the veranda is the Bellagio Pool Shop if you're in need of any last-minute swimwear, suntan lotion. There is also bottled water and snacks. In the regular pool season, the Bellagio pool area is open from 8 a.m. until 7 p.m. And just so you know, the Bellagio pool area keeps one pool heated and open year-round. For the perfect poolside cocktails and eats, there is Como Poolside Cafe and Bar. Cypress is a private adults-only pool. It features special dedicated poolside attendants, and you can also reserve a dedicated lounge chair. The vibe at the Bellagio pool area is very chill and relaxed. It doesn't have a loud pool party atmosphere, and the music is just right. There wasn't a bunch of kids running around and splashing, and the ones that were there were quite sophisticated. And here's a final thought for my stay at Bellagio. Every time I leave this place, I feel like a new man. So there's that. Hey, thanks for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting that super thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more fabulous Las Vegas content. Tap the center icon to subscribe and you will receive notifications on future videos.